Hello, this is Fallen Elements. Welcome to another video. Today we're showcasing my speakers. I made them myself. Yeah. And these babies over here are the world's most unique looking and sounding Bluetooth speakers ever. You will not hear this kind of sound and the bass that comes out of them in the market. Not until you go way up among the bigger brands in the market. And I'll be showcasing all these on YouTube today. We will be heading to the sound test for each one of these speakers. But before we do that, I'll be talking about these a little bit. So let's begin with the smallest one over here. Now this was made out of a workout drink bottle. As you can see, there is a bass port here that's responsible for all the bass. We've got speakers on this side, 2 speakers here, and that's the switch, and you charge them with a USB. It has Bluetooth, USB, micro SD card, and FM radio. Alright, it has the decoder, just like all my other speakers. It has all the features, including Bluetooth. Over here is the port. It's responsible for all the bass. Then there is some magic happening inside of the box that helps this port create that bass, that kind of low end that you don't hear usually in any speakers of this size. Alright, and then there are 2 speakers over here that are full range, and then this is the woofer that creates the bass. This was made out of a wine bottle box. This was also made from a wine bottle box. It also has USB, micro SD card, and Bluetooth and everything. All of this is handwritten, hand drawn. The buttons are made from pine wood. This is Briz, this is my brand. It is registered under New Tech USA. That's an American brand for all kinds of technology. New Tech Systems, California. It is rechargeable, and this thing is very powerful. When you listen to it, you cannot pump it up to full volume indoors because it's just too loud and too powerful. It literally hits you in the chest with its bass. And when you put it on the ground, you go 2 feet away, you play it on full volume, and you will still feel your shoes vibrating. So that's a little bit about this thing. We got 2 tweeters here, 2 full range drivers. We've got a passive radiator. This is not a speaker, it's just a vibrating stainless steel plate. And this is a woofer. We got 2 full range drivers here and a decoder, just like all the other speakers we've got. This is like a 90-degree joint of the PVC pipes. Although I have a Samsung Galaxy J2 for recording and like video and audio recording, that's the only thing I've got. But in the future we'll be having much better recording equipment for this channel. A decoder, an amplifier plate, and in the back you get the brand. That's the side. That's the other side. We got full range drivers. And a woofer. Now, I made it for myself, so I didn't really care to put this decoder inside. I just put it outside because I'm the one who will be using it. But I will make another one of this design because this is the best sounding one ever. It has the most powerful amplifier, and this subwoofer over here is really great. It can create some really deep bass. And then there is some magic going on inside that helps this port make that bass, bring that bass out of the box. We got two full range drivers. Alright, let me just get closer. There we go, one driver here and the other one here. This was also made from a wine bottle box. Over here, this is the frequency spectrum analyzer. Over here we've got 40 Hertz, 100 Hertz, 300 Hertz, 600 Hertz, 1 kilohertz, 2 kilohertz, 4 kilohertz, 6, 9, 12, and 16 kilohertz. So whatever the sound comes out of the speakers will be analyzed in real time, and you guys can check it out. The problem with normal Android tablets or any other phones or handheld devices is that they don't really catch the bass. This area is the bass, right? The more towards the left you go, the deeper the bass gets, right? And the more towards right you come, the treble kind of sound. And in the middle, there are the mid-range sounds like vocals and
baby, why you playing games with me? Let's smoke another pack, let it go, no baby, breathe. You used to love to laugh and you said cats change me. Oh God. Somebody's getting it, somebody's getting love. Somebody's getting it, baby, why you playing games with me? Let's smoke another pack, let it go, no baby, breathe. You used to love to laugh and you said cats change me. Oh God, wishing I would take a seat. They tryna see me fall, drowning in the jealousy. But shorty, after all, it's my throne to keep. Somebody's getting it, somebody's getting my love. Somebody's getting it, baby, why you playing games with me? Let's smoke another pack, let it go, no baby, breathe. You used to love to laugh and you said cats change me. Oh God, wishing I would take a seat. They tryna see me fall, drowning in the jealousy. But shorty, after all, it's somebody's getting it, somebody's getting my love. Somebody's getting it, Baby, why you playing games with me? Let's smoke another pack, let it go, no baby, breathe. You used to love to laugh and you said cats change me. Oh God, wishing I would take a seat. They tryna see me fall, drowning in the jealousy. But shawty, after all, it's my throne to keep on dog. And shawty used to kill with the dancing. Was stole from a man, stepping stones to a mansion. Loved for the bands, I was known for the anthems. And stoned at the party when we posed for the camera. It's the only thing that I ever needed. When somebody's getting it, somebody's getting the love. Somebody's getting it, somebody. Baby, why you playing games with me? Let's smoke another pack, let it go, no baby, breathe. You used to love to laugh and you said cats change me. Oh God, wishing I would take a seat. They tryna see me fall, drowning in the jealousy. But shawty, after all, it's my throne to keep on dog. And shawty used to kill with the dancing. Was stole from a man, stepping stones to him. Somebody's getting it, somebody's getting the love. Somebody's getting it, somebody. Baby, why you playing games with me? Let's smoke another pack, let it go, no baby, breathe. You used to love to laugh and you said cats change me. Oh God, wishing I would take a seat. They tryna see me fall, drowning in the jealousy. But shawty, after all, it's my throne to keep on dog. And shawty used to kill with the dancing. Was stole from a man, stepping stones to. Somebody's getting it, somebody's getting the love. Somebody's getting it, somebody.
Two reasons why I made this video. One is to showcase my work, and secondly, I wanna sell these prototypes. So if you want to start a business, these prototypes will help you do that, just to get started, because they're the best sounding ones ever, and you really need to get your hands on these things. Now, the way how I'll sell these speakers is through online auctions, and basically, you're interested, you will send me an email. I will keep you updated about when and where this auction is going to happen on the internet. And then definitely we're going to sell these babies out. Yeah, it's for you to start your own business. Or if you're a company who wants to make good speakers for future, one of those famous brands that I would love to help, that's alright. You can leave an email to me and I'll get in contact with you. If you're planning on making something that sounds better than anything else in the market, just let me know and I can work for you. And like I said, this has been a crazy channel, and every single video has something new to tell to the world. And let's see what we bring on this show next time. Until then, your bro Fallen Elements is signing out. Stay cool and see you in the next video. Goodbye.